In the advanced manufacturing team, we focus on key aspects that are transforming the automotive industry and reshaping mobility as we know it. Our team is dedicated to innovating production processes. As we live in an ever-changing world, to remain a leading company, we need flexibility and intelligent automation in the manufacturing of our parts. Hence, we are constantly looking for ways to improve and optimize our processes. What's even more exciting is that advances in software and connectivity technology allow us to rethink and reinvent how we do things to achieve that flexibility and efficiency we are talking about. We are leading a groundbreaking project, the Smart and Flexible Factory, a concept that lets us adapt to market demands and produce a wide range of products with the same industrial equipment. Our first Smart and Flexible Factory is already up and running, and we continue developing this concept to improve autonomy, efficiency, and quality. Another one of our main focuses is research and development of processes for new components of electric vehicles, like the battery pack and its components. We know that the future of mobility is electric and sustainable, and we are at the forefront of this transformation. We are investing time and effort into creating innovative solutions that make the transition to sustainable mobility possible. At Gestamp, we are committed not only to the excellence of our products, but also to creating a more sustainable and promising future. Our team is made up of highly qualified people with expertise in robotics, automation, manufacturing process design, joining technologies, and quality, but above all, with a passion for leadership, teamwork, continuous learning, and strong soft skills. If you are also passionate about innovation and technology, if you want to be part of a team making a difference in the automotive industry, then I am sure you would like to join us. Let's shape the future of mobility together.